Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous black with gray highlight wig from Vshow hair. The specs of this hair is a 26-inch straight black with gray highlight or gray streaks wig. It is in a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I said 26 inches, so it goes all the way down here. This hair is pretty long and it is actually really full, nice and luscious. There's really a lot of shine and body and texture to this wig. It's very soft, so I'm loving that. Feels like a cloud, and I can't stop running my fingers through this hair. But let me go ahead and let you guys know the links for this wig will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase off the rip. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you guys how to get your hair looking like this. So I am back, and this is what the wig is looking like. This wig is from Vshow hair. They decided to send me a black with gray highlights 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is in 26 inches, and this is what she's looking like. Off the rip, this hair is really soft. And even though it says it's a black with a gray highlight wig, I feel like the gray is definitely more like, you know, stand outish. Like you could see like the where they wanted to come in with the highlight concept here, because you know that's what people with highlights do. They just get little streaks here and there, and I'm feeling it. It's definitely a vibe. I would love if it had more black in it, but this works perfectly fine. I'm here for this too. The lace on this wig, amazing, so easy to work with. It was super blendable with my skin tone once I added my makeup on the lace, to the point where I didn't even need glue. And because this wig is 100% glueless, all I had to do was literally tighten the bands in the back. It works like a charm. So far so good. I'm not having any complaints with this hair whatsoever. Shedding is definitely at a minimum. I'm not seeing that much shedding, or shedding period. And then the ends of the hair is pretty full, like it's not straggly ends. I'm loving this. So thank you so much to Vshow hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. And if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.